The 8 Best Diet Plans. Here are the 8 best diet plans to help you shed weight and improve your overall health. 1. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It has been shown to aid weight loss and is linked to many other health benefits. 2. Plant-based diets. Plant-based diets restrict meat and animal products for various reasons. Studies show that they aid weight loss by reducing your calorie intake and offer many other benefits. 3. Low-carb diets. Low-carb diets restrict your carb intake, which encourages your body to use more fat as fuel. They can help you lose weight and offer many other benefits. 4. The paleo diet. The paleo diet advocates eating whole foods, similarly to how your ancestors ate. Studies show that it may aid weight loss and reduce heart disease risk factors. 5. Low-fat diets. Low-fat diets restrict your intake of fat, as this macronutrient is higher in calories than protein and carbs. Studies have linked low-fat diets to weight loss and lower risks of heart disease and diabetes. 6. The Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, fish, and healthy oils while restricting refined and highly processed foods. While it's not a weight loss diet, studies show that it can promote weight loss and overall health. 7. WW, Weight Watchers. WW, or Weight Watchers, is a weight loss program that uses a points-based system. Studies show that it's effective for long-term weight loss and highly flexible. 8. The DASH diet. The DASH diet is a low-salt diet that has been shown to aid weight loss. Studies have also linked it to additional benefits for your heart and reduced risks of other chronic diseases.
If you want to know more about the diet, I have left a link for you below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Stay tuned for more amazing content.